Welcome to Kolleno Accounts Receivable Management. Kolleno will help streamline your operations, increase your efficiency, reduce manual and repetitive tasks, and put you and your team back in control of your financial operations. In accounts receivable management, precision and accuracy is paramount. Having a system with most up-to-date information that is readily available and that you can take action on is a real game changer. How does Kolleno achieve this? Kolleno seamlessly integrates with your ERP system and synchronizes live with the most up-to-date data that you can utilize. Second, we integrate with thousands of financial institutions and banks, as well as the fact that we connect to a multitude of payment methods, allowing your clients to make seamless payment through the system, and it's easily reconciled. On top of that, Kolleno connects and sends communications from your company email address to your clients, allowing you to have all your AR responses in one place. From there, we'll automate your dunning process. You can forget about chasing payments manually. Kolleno will set up automated workflows and communications that will communicate with your clients at the right time with the right information. No more stress about overdue payments and strained client relationships. Kolleno will manage your AR, not just handle it. Let's look into some of Kolleno's key features that make it such a powerful addition to your team. As mentioned, automated communications. No longer do you have to manually follow up with your clients. The system will create payment reminders, communicate with your clients, all through workflows. As you can see here, I've got a workflow trigger, a delay, an email created, tasks created for the team, as well as built-in logic into the system. Next is automated reconciliation. Perfect payment matches with a scoring system. Reconciliation becomes a breeze. No more second guessing or slogging through this manual task. Next is prioritized task management, so you and your team know what they need to accomplish on a day-to-day basis. It blends urgency and efficiency. Your to-do list is simplified and you stay in control. Centralized timelines allow you to have all your accounting and communication data all in one place. Easy customer management, no more searching for information. You can see all your communications, inbound and outbound, notes, promises to pay, as well as any payments received or invoices issued. With AI-generated templates, you can speed up your communications, saving your team hours per day. Over 40 variables make it tailored and efficient. Simply click, reply, and generate, and insert. With management pack-ready reports, you can deliver reports straight to your inbox, such as aging analytics, customer insights, payments and collections, as well as see how well Kolleno is making an impact on your company. It's like having a personal assistant organizing your accounts receivable information. In a nutshell, less manual work, more focus on what matters, increased accuracy, healthier cash flows, and of course, a reduction in your late and overdue payments. Kolleno brings all financial control processes into one place, enabling greater efficiency and faster payments.